My hair used to be very, very healthy, lush, and I would be able to do anything and everything that I want to do with it. So over the past 4 or so years, I noticed that it started thinning. Then I noticed at the very top, I could see my scalp as I'm combing my hair. And the dermatologist told me that I had alopecia, inflammatory under the scalp alopecia.
Okay. Was there any blood work taken?
There was.
Okay, there was blood work taken.
And there was also a biopsy taken.
Okay,
as
a
well.
biopsy. Did you notice that this dermatologist specialized in hair loss, or was it just a dermatologist?
No, but she was recommended by my personal physician.
Okay.
So she was part of the hospital and she did hair loss.
So she put you on a topical treatment, right?
She did.
And how long did you use that?
For about 3.5 months.
And what did you see?
I saw thickening, I saw new growth, I saw that the hair was being restored, and I was excited.
And so now what?
I stopped using the topical because I'm like, oh, it's growing back, I don't need it anymore. And now it's starting to thin again.
So you stopped?
I did.
Okay. Did anybody prescribe anything internal?
She did give me antibiotics that I was taking prior to the topical.
Okay.
So I took the antibiotics for like 3.5 months.
Did you go back and follow up?
I did.
Okay.
I did follow up with her. We did, and when she saw that it was growing back, she's like, "Oh, great!" But she didn't say, "Oh, you're done." I just did not go back.
Exactly.
Because of I saw what it was doing. I'm like, "Oh, well, I'm back to normal again," because it was growing. It's thin.
Okay.
It's thinner than its norm. It doesn't grow fast like it used to. I wear this style on the side because I treat it as a comb over. So if I wear any other style, then I could see my scalp, and I don't like that.
Hair growth is kind of like a mother who has conceived a baby, right? So the hair strand is born in this place called the dermal papilla, and whatever we put in our bodies during that time, when it's time for the strand to be made and developed, that's how the strand is going to produce and grow out.
Okay.
So if you're not getting enough nutrition in your body,
Right.
when that strand is being made, it's going to grow out thin.
Right.
If you're getting enough nutrition in your body, it'll grow out thicker. It sounds like you're actually on a really great track, but
Yeah.
we need to start with something internally.
Yeah.
So I would recommend, number one, our NouriTress Hair Vitamins Plus. It's a full natural multivitamin to give your body nourishment as well as your hair. Our NouriTress Stimulating Scalp Shampoo is formulated with camphor to kill any bacteria at the scalp, if anything is going on, as well as peppermint oil and tea tree oil. So one of the things we recommend for people who go to the salon is to take the shampoo and
Okay.
conditioner with you. So I would recommend for your hair type,
Okay.
our Stimulating Scalp Shampoo, and then our vitamin conditioner, which is formulated with avocado oil, just to kind of give
nice.
a little shine to the hair.
Okay.
And then lastly, so we want to make sure that you use a leave-in botanical reconstructor, which is different from
Okay.
most leave-in conditioners.
Right.
It actually reconstructs the strand to produce a thicker strand. For the NouriTress brand, we actually have a follicle treatment that also has camphor, sage, and nettles, which is all natural.
Okay.
No steroids, no anything like that. Internal strand development, topical shampoo, conditioner, a leave-in, and then a follicle treatment for daily. That's all natural.
Wonderful. Okay.
So 5 items.
Okay.
Do you feel like that's a lot?
If it's gonna work, no.
Exactly.
Do you have a story to tell? Do you want us to help you on your hair restoration journey? It's easy as this. Head on over to NouriTress.com and tell us how we can help you.